Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a video for the 5-ton hydraulic ramps from Garvey. Let's roll the video. All right folks, welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about the Garvey 5-ton hydraulic jacks. Pardon if there's noise in the background. I have people doing work on their houses today. Well, we're going to talk about this first. Garvey, these are 5-ton hydraulic ramps. These are set for a low profile vehicle. So if you have like a lower car, get up to the top ramp. The pad itself is 9 inches wide by 10 inches long. So just keep that in mind of what size tires and stuff you have on your vehicle. This will also raise from 10 inches high where it is now up to 14 inches high with 4 lockable positions with the pins. Let me show you those. And folks, to raise this up, there's a little button right here that you turn in, and all it does is just like your regular jack. It will jack all the way up. Like I said, the highest lockable position is going to be 14 inches. We'll do that now, and then I'll put the pins in and show you the height. And folks, once you get this up to the height you want it at, like I said, there's these 2 pins, safety pins on the chains, and they just slide right in like that. That way it will lock your vehicle into position. They will not, that's the highest position on that, folks. Like I said, it's roughly 14 inches. We'll take a little closer look underneath. Again, this is like a regular jack. It will jack up. That's the highest position this will sit in safely. You see it does not move around when your vehicle is sitting on there. To lower this, you're going to want to take the pins out, obviously. We have to get it down by loosening it like this with this little knob down here. That will loosen it up. That'll go like take the pins out, and then your vehicle will lower down safely. Now folks, these Garvey ramps are made with all steel construction with a weather resistant coating on them. They're about 84 pounds, so they're really heavy duty. These come with a 12-month guaranteed warranty, 30-day money back with no hassle, free shipping. Currently, right now, they're $209.99 for this model. They have a lighter duty and a heavier duty model as well, which you can purchase these online in the link in the description. I'll also give you a discount code for 10% off, which brings it down to about $189 per set. Not too bad for a nice heavy duty set of ramps. And that includes free shipping, so that's not bad. $189 with the discount code in the link in the description. Garvey sells a lot of other products. Let's pull my Ford Maverick up on here and jack them up and see how that works. Okay, folks, we'll take a little tour before we pull them up there. Always be safe and have someone around when you're working on a vehicle too. Well, you can see pretty good clearance for the Maverick. Not that the Maverick sits really low, but if you had a car that sat a lot lower, these would be perfect. All right, folks, we got the Maverick up on there. I don't have it jacked up yet. I just have it on the lowest setting. Just going to get an idea of how high it is. Lowest part is roughly 19 inches on the Maverick. Again, this is just Maverick specific. I haven't jacked it up yet. These are a 225 series tire. You can see they sit on there pretty good and still have quite a bit of clearance. They have the little safety thing here, so if it does roll back a little bit, it's not going to roll off there. Of course, always use your emergency brake when you're working underneath a vehicle. Now remember folks, you can do this by yourself, but for safety reasons you should have somebody else here to help you do this. But we're going to jack this up on both sides one at a time and get a good measurement of the clearance and see how stable it is. Remember, you have to turn this knob all the way to the right. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. This does take a while. This is like a regular hydraulic pump jack. I'm just going to jack this up to the next setting. I'm not going to go all the way up. It's just got to be high enough for me to get the pins in there. There you go, a little bit higher. Try to get the pins lined up the best I can in there, folks. Again, this is a safety measure to have these pins are in there. Now say if I was to let this down while the pins were in there, it stopped. So now it's sitting directly on the pins. The truck's not going to drop down any lower. Let's go jack up the other side and then we'll take a little measurement. Again, folks, this is sitting on the pins right now. I lowered it so it's safely on the pins and the vehicle won't move. That was roughly 2 inches. This is just an eyeball, folks, just to give you an idea. It was roughly 20 inches to the low spot. Now we're at 22 inches at the second spot. Let's move it up to the third. All right, folks, we're in the third spot. We went from 20 to 22, and now we are at about 24. So these are about 2 inches. This isn't the highest setup yet. I'll stand around. We got one more. Actually, we got two more we can actually go up, but this just gives you an idea how much space you have to crawl underneath the truck. Again, make sure you have your emergency brake on and possibly something to chock the wheels behind there. Not too bad. They actually gives you a lot of room. You could do a whole exhaust system on here if you wanted to. Makes it real easy to get underneath here and do oil changes and shit, that's for sure. A lot of space underneath there. Again, folks, when I set this up, I let the pressure out just so it's sitting with its weight on the pins, and then I turned it back again. So in order for me to get the pins out safely, I'm going to have to lift the truck up slightly, just enough to get pressure off these pins to pull them out. Again, I'm in a stone uneven driveway too, so let those come out like that. We're going to lower it down really slowly the best we can, folks. Or not. We're just going to drop it right down. And I just got to do the other side. All right, folks, there you have it. These are the Garvey 5-ton hydraulic ramps. I'll leave a link in the description. I think this is a nice product if you need that little couple extra inches to get underneath your vehicle and work on it. 12-month warranty, 30-day return, no hassle, free shipping. Discount code gives you about 20 bucks off, man. It's worth it. Nice product, really heavy duty. Maverick's on here. It feels pretty stable sitting on here. Check out my other videos. I got plenty of Maverick videos. I got videos coming up from my camper and hopefully motorcycle videos coming up really soon. Bye for now.